Alright, I was gonna do a outside video, but it is windy out there, and I don't know if this dead cat on this road video micro will help out a lot. So we're gonna do a inside the car, windows down for the light shot. It's windy now if you could see it. I don't know if you can see it, I could feel it on my face. But updates on the 1996 Impala SS. We've been busy the last 2 days. On Thursday, today is Friday, I got 2 new tires put on the front. The fronts were pretty bad on the edges. Got some Kumho X's, I believe, yes. Not very many options for the 255 50 R17. I think that's right. If I'm wrong, please forgive me. What else did we do? Today, this morning, I was able to get to the shop, electronic shop, Guru. They were able to uninstall my old alarm that broke and reinstall a basic one-way, which is cool. It's has a different sound, but that's all good. Just as long as I have my keyless entry back, I can open the doors, all doors, with the remote versus using the key. Also, one bad part, I think it was a good and a bad. He didn't charge me tax, but I think it's because his tech cracked one of the pillars up here on the side behind me that go from the dash to the roof line. I forget the technical term for it, but it had a little crack at the top. No worries, because I had a new toy or tool I wanted to play with, hot stapler or plastic welder. I think it's a hot stapler because it pretty much heats up metal pieces, different shapes, you know, S's and corner pieces, heats it up, melts into the plastic, and then you pop it out and cut the little tabs off. And I'm gonna say it is a game changer. That tool is amazing. I fixed 3 plastic panels, like the door sill down there, door sill down here, and the piece that person accidentally cracked. Or it's old, it's brittle, I don't blame them. But structurally it's good. Obviously on the face you'll still see the crack. Just as long as you don't go all the way through. You gotta fill, sand, paint, all that stuff if you want to get rid of that. But to me, as long as it's structurally sound, like the sill was 2 pieces, now it's 1 with a crack. So all good with me. And the harder part will be the doors. Like the doors have a lot of cracks and there's a lot of weight put on it. And people pull on the door versus the handle because, I don't know, I guess it's more intuitive to, you know, pull this and that. I don't know. But that's cracked. It's cracked on this side. Back bezel piece is cracked. So the things you got to deal with an older car. The things you have to deal with an older car. There you go. If I didn't say it right correctly, you heard it twice. Okay, so that is it for this week's update. Tires were about $460, $299 for the alarm install, uninstall, and it was like $24 for that hot stapler from Amazon. So yep, there you go. The paint is on this car. The clear coat's rough, so I'm not even gonna go to the car wash. Gotta start looking into wraps or a new paint job. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.